be interesting.
We want unleaded.
So 87. Wait, welcome, insert card or lift handle?
Let's say insert card.
We got some nice music here. How many people around? The highway. Look at the foothills. Isn't that pretty? Remove nozzle. Begin fueling.
Now we wait.
What?
Now we fill.
Oh.
Isn't this exciting?
So much fun we're having.
Oh yes.
Filling up our car.
Let's just be glad Joel got the cap off without having to call the embassy.
Yeah, that would be
or
embarrassing.
The police. Or the attendant.
They have those around here? So now Joel's pouring gas everywhere. It's definitely like flooding out of the gas can.
What?
I think you pulled the nozzle out too soon.
Sorry.
It was still coming out. Oh, that was
Okay.
interesting.
Proceed.
Look at all that gas. Smells good.
So yummy.
Yum yum. Printing receipt.
Oh. Yay!
Yay! We did it!
We are successful. Okay, bye.
Accomplished the task.
We have.
Filling the car. So later.